Guys, so I'm currently working on putting a quilt kit together and I've got the top almost completed and I wanted to show you what it looks like so far, so let's check it out. So this is the quilt top so far and this is the pattern that I am using. This is called Sunset Star Quilt and it is by Sarah Jean Makes. And I've got most of the top done. I still have to add on the borders, but I'm super excited about how it's coming together. I think it's so stinking cute and I love these little birds. I was able to fussy cut them. But yeah, this is my currently in progress project. And I'm using, so far for my piecing, I've been using my Omni thread 3022 by Superior Threads. And it's right there on my, I've actually used it for my top and my bobbin thread. And I'm not sure what color I'm going to use for the top just yet. I do have a large thread order coming in the next couple of days, and I'm hoping some of the colors that I picked out from some of these different lines will look perfect for it. So I ordered several different threads from Superior Threads. I've got several Omni threads coming in, some Omni variegated threads. I got some Magnifico threads. I got some Fantastico threads. I've got pretty much a little bit of threads from all of the different lines that Superior Threads has. But yeah, I wanted to show you the top so far. This way you can see how stinking cute it is.